Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you the best 7 side hustles that you're going to start as a beginner in 2023. But before I go straight to the side hustles, I want to say that if you enjoy the video, give me a like because it helped me a lot, and also I know that you want this series or this type of videos, and also my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy because right now we're only 10, but I think I can complete that all together. Nearly 92% of you guys are not subscribed, and I'll appreciate a lot guys if you subscribe. And stay tuned guys because I'll be improving the camera and also the lighting. I hope that improve the quality of the channel in general. And yeah, being said that, let's go straight for the side hustle. The first side hustle that will making money almost passively for you without doing anything. It's just investing long term on SPX or global index funds. It will generate you around 8 to 10% a year. So that's not bad for doing nothing. And I recommend you guys a lot. This is my favorite. And you can start even though you are young and having not much money, because you don't need that amount of money to start. And I guys, I will recommend you a lot. Saving money that you earn by your job or your business, just investing there, because it will help you a lot in the long run. The second one is for people that are looking for a cash flow business, that is basically start a service-based business or a marketing agency. For example, you sell your service that only requires your time. If you learn a skill that is in high demand, for example, marketing, copywriting, and something related to marketing, you will be making a lot of money if you are good and you have also a good offer and good service. For me, it's one of the best for cash flow, and also is a great model because it's almost risk free, because you're only risking your time and your effort, but you don't risk any money. So for me, it's great. And also, let me know in the comments if you want to know more about how to start an SMMA, because I will be making a video. The third one is to start a YouTube channel, and for me, it's one of the greatest also. You can start almost with literally zero money. And if you can build a good community and also how to monetize it well, you will be making a lot of money. But the only downside is that it will take you time, because it's not just an agency that you can close clients with 1 week in or 1 month in. It will take you probably years or a lot of months. In the long term, it will pay off for sure. So I know it's hard to do because of the criticism, but if I can do it, guys, that my English is not the best and I'm still making these videos, you can. So I recommend you guys start doing this today, because you will not regret it, and also it will pay off. So I recommend you guys to start this side hustle. The number 4 guys is start a web design business, because almost all businesses need a good web design theme, because they need to convert their clients. And if you're not expert in that, you can help them and also make money, because it's a high demand job. That's why I think for me it's one of the greatest hustles to start also. It's basically an agency, because you're providing a service that is your own time, and if you can scale, you can hire other web designers and make an agency and scale that beyond 50k, 20k. Guys, if you made it till here, thank you, because not much people get there. And also, if you want to more videos about it, give me a like. If you enjoyed the video, it help me a lot. And also my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year, as I said in the beginning. And nearly 92% of you guys are not subscribed, and I appreciate a lot if you subscribe. And being said that, let's continue with the side hustles. And the fifth one, guys, is Airbnb marketing agencies. That for me are great, because if you can help homeowners get more bookings and also have their places full, it will pay you very well. That's why I think for me are great, because if you can help that type of people with their listings, their copy, or their photos, that is almost zero money to do it, because it's just a couple of tips and having a good copy, and they'll appreciate a lot, and you're making a lot of money. One of the last ones, guys, is just start as a freelancer, offering a skill that you already have. For example, video editing, email marketing, copywriting, any skill that you already have, just offering for your clients by any platform like Upwork or any other freelancer platform that you don't need to really go for your clients, because the clients come to you almost. You don't need to do outreach. Basically, the traffic is not that cold, and it will be easier to close your clients. The last one for me is the cheapest and the easiest, is just rent a car, because if you live in a big city, you probably don't need your car that much, and if you can rent it for a couple of bucks an hour, you will be making a lot of money passively. It will be better that people use your car and make you money than being stuck in the garage. So for me, it's also a great side hustle. It's not very similar from the other ones, but I wanted to put it there and say it, because for me it's great if you have a car and you don't use it. And to wrap up this video, guys, I want to appreciate you guys if you made it here, and also if you already give it a like, and if not, please give it if you enjoyed the video, because it helped me a lot and I know you want this type of videos. And also stay tuned, because I will be improving these videos, also lighting the camera. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe, because it helped me a lot. And also my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think we're going to complete that all together, so I will appreciate a lot also. and mostly 92% of you guys are not subscribed. And being said that, guys, thank you for watching my videos. I'll appreciate it a lot. And if you made it here, I love you, and yeah,